XRP Ripple. If this happens, just 3 XRP will easily change your life. Explained. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today in this video, we will discuss the very exciting news of XRP, and if this happens, you will need just 3 XRP to change your life. And is XRP going to hit $10 in the year 2022? But before we start, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before leaving. Also hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever we upload a new video. For now, let's get back to the video straight away.
You want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro. How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
It's nearly 11 months since San Francisco-based Fintech startup Ripple began its battle with the U.S. Securities and Exchange over the allegation of the sale of unregistered securities, XRP. While Ripple has always claimed no wrongdoing, the SEC continues with its strong allegations. However, it seems that the tides are turning in favor of Ripple in this long-going legal battle. Speaking to CNBC on Monday, November 22nd, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse said they are making good progress in this case. Besides, Garlinghouse also expects that the case will conclude by the next year. In a word with CNBC's Dan Murphy, Garlinghouse said that we're seeing pretty good progress despite a slow-moving judicial progress. We're seeing good questions asked by the judge, and I think the judge realizes this is not just about Ripple, which will have broader implications. Ripple's XRP had been one of the top-performing cryptocurrencies and held the number 3 spot after Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, for a long time. But ever since the SEC case, XRP has majorly shown sideways movement and continues to hold above $1. Currently, XRP is the 7th largest cryptocurrency by market cap, after being suppressed by better performing digital assets. If any favorable outcome comes from the case, we can expect some strong performance from XRP. On the other hand, Ripple technology has gained market acceptance among banks and other financial services firms. Its RippleNet technology facilitates instant cross-border payments, leveraging the power of blockchain. Similarly, Ripple also markets other products using XRP for instant cross-border payments and on-demand liquidity. Ripple and the SEC tussle. Late last year, on December 28, 2020, the outgoing SEC chairman, Jay Clayton, slapped a lawsuit on Ripple, accusing the company of selling XRP as illegal security. The U.S. SEC has further cited concerns of Ripple's ties to XRP. As said, the securities regulator argues that the company and its founders sold $1.3 billion worth of XRP as illegal securities during its ICO days in 2013. However, Ripple has defended its position every time, stating that XRP is not a security. In the past, Garlinghouse has also lashed out at the U.S. SEC for having an unclear regulatory framework with the use of crypto. At one point, the company also mauled at shifting its base out of the U.S. to other crypto-friendly nations. Garlinghouse also said that countries like UAE, Singapore, Japan, and Switzerland have been showing leadership qualities in regulating crypto. On the other hand, he also criticized China and India for the crackdown on the industry. Recently, Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong also said that the Ripple case was going better than expected. In a recent interview, the director of developer relations at Ripple, Matt Hamilton, also pointed out favoritism from the SEC. He referred to the director of the division of corporate finance, William Hinman. He claimed that Hinman, in particular, acted in the same manner. Furthermore, Hamilton stated the various stereotypes related to XRP. Hence, he claimed that XRP has no intrinsic value. According to him, XRP is mostly viewed as a banker's coin that focuses on satisfying financial institutions' interests. Also, a lot of people do not consider the coin as a real cryptocurrency. This is majorly due to the allegations about its developers. There are allegations that the XRP developers are focused more on the ledger than the cryptocurrency. Speaking on the XRP ledger, the director said that the ledger stores the complete status of every account on the network in each block. Moreover, financial institutions like Santander Bank and American Express were the early adopters of the XRP coin. This happens before the serial adoption of Bitcoin by institutions. During the interview, Hamilton stated, "If you call XRP the banker coin, Bitcoin's the drug dealer coin as a percentage of the total sale. Banks hold more Bitcoin than XRP is held by banks at this exact time. Institutions hold less than 1% of XRP." Speaking further, the director discussed the double standards of BTC supporters who glorify Bitcoin's institutional use case and investments while criticizing XRP for the same reason. Currently, institutional investors hold about 8% of the total supply of Bitcoin. On the other hand, CoinShares noted that XRP held by institutions is less than 1%. Additionally, Hamilton spoke on XRP's classification as being decentralized. Firstly, the cryptocurrency is pre-mined and does not have a mining mechanism in place. Notably, Ripple owns a large quantity of the total XRP. According to the director of developer relations at Ripple, the difference between centralization and decentralization is subjective. Hamilton explained, Ripple owned and operated about 5% of the nodes on the XRP ledger, which doesn't give them any power on the XRP ledger. If the community decided, it could vote on amendment on the XRP ledger that would effectively burn Ripple's XRP. XRP's market cap would 10 times. The first thing one has to consider when making price predictions is the market cap of the coin. That is the best way to measure the coin's success because it accounts on the minting of extra coin. Anyway, XRP has a current market cap of $50 billion, ranking it the 7th largest cryptocurrency. That is a fairly respectable market cap for a cryptocurrency. However, a 10 times increase in market cap, XRP currently trades at $1, would give it the equivalent market cap of Ethereum. This can happen, but it is not something that we would count on occurring anytime soon. A 10 times reason in market cap is a regular occurrence at smaller amounts, i.e. Doge and Shiba Inu. Still, it's incredibly rare for a cryptocurrency or any asset to increase 10 times when it's already in the top 10 of its class. Institutions prefer Bitcoin. The point relates more to intangibles rather than solid metrics, but the general point still applies. Bitcoin is preferred by institutions, whales, and retail investors when compared to XRP. We know that banks use XRP for international transfers. However, that's a little different from the corporations investing in XRP. Bitcoin has the advantage because corporations and now countries hold the cryptocurrency. The reason for this is rather simple. Bitcoin is the best store of value. No one wants to hold fiat currency due to increased inflation after the COVID-19 pandemic. Bonds, once considered the best price for corporations to part cash, now pay less than the inflation rate. Corporations, high net worth individuals, and average retail investors have finally figured out the best way to hedge against inflation is not with bonds, XRP, gold, or other assets once deemed safe. It's with Bitcoin. This trend will likely continue. And that's important for XRP because a lot of the liquidity in the cryptocurrency market is in Bitcoin. Something cataclysmic must happen for the liquidity to exit Bitcoin. Even if a cataclysmic event happens to Bitcoin, the liquidity will likely flow into Ethereum before it flows into XRP. The case for XRP hitting $10 in 2022. The case for XRP hitting $10 in 2022 is very weak. There are not any logical arguments for why XRP could hit $10 in 2022. The basics of the argument comes down to if Shiba Inu coin went up 90 million% in a year, XRP can do it. Shiba Inu coin. This is the only real argument for XRP hitting $10 in 2022. Again, This has to do with the fact that Shiba Inu coin went up over 90 million% in 2021. People see that and think those gains can happen to any cryptocurrency. Sure, those gains can happen when a coin goes from a market cap in the hundreds of thousands to billions. However, going from a $50 billion market cap to a $500 billion market cap is a little harder. Shiba Inu coin is also essentially a gambling token that people purchase with the hope that it increases in value. XRP falls into a different category altogether because it has some utility, which hurts its chances of experiencing a huge pump. Hyperinflation devalues $10. The other possibility for XRP hitting $10 in 2022 is a lot more realistic. The argument goes that the United States dollar experiences so much inflation that products that would have cost $1 in 2021 will cost $10 in 2022. The United States will likely not experience that much inflation in 2022, but it certainly remains a possibility given the unprecedented amount of money printed in 2020. With that in mind, a better valuing cryptocurrency in Bitcoin allows you to compare to the benchmark cryptocurrency. If the value goes up compared to Bitcoin, then that is good because you are beating Bitcoin. If the value goes down, that is bad because your investment lost value, and you could have had more growth if you invested in Bitcoin. It's a simple concept, yet it is one that many people ignore because it's more intuitive to value the US dollar. That covers whether or not XRP will hit $10 in 2022. And to be clear, no, XRP will not hit $10 in 2022. The market cap at $10 would be around $500 billion, the same as Ethereum's current market cap. A 10 times increase in market cap is not feasible for a coin that already has a $50 billion market cap. All this is to say that XRP will probably still have a decent 2022 because the lawsuit will be most likely resolved in their favor. Just don't go into 2022 expecting XRP to hit $10 and you won't be disappointed. That's it for today, guys. We'll see you next time. Until then.